Hi, we're going to take a look at a multi-tool I got. Let's take a look at it. So here it is. Here's it compared to a pen or a Sharpie. And here it is compared to a key. So it is pretty big. So let's see how tight. It's not really that tight on this one. But yeah, let's take a look at that. So let's see. It does look like it won't fall out. But yeah, that's good. So let's see. There's the Phillips head. So let's see, bottle opener. So it does click. Right there's a click. And then there's a click right there. And then there's a click right there. So let's see, cutter right there. Not that sharp. Bottle opener right there. Wire cutter. So right there. Snip. And then what are they called? Nuts. And then it looks like one of the screwdrivers right there. And then I'm not sure where that one is. Let's see. There's the back. Screwdriver. More of a screwdriver right there. And then there's the nut sizes. There's a 12 one. 10, 8. So there it is. If you have any questions or anything, there's a scale right here, sort of. It's not really that long, but yeah. I don't think you could take this on an airplane, but I'm not sure. I wonder. Would they let me? But yeah, I'll leave a link in the descriptions below. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.